What's up everyone? It's Sunday and Julia's here. I'm back. Samahan niyo ako sa aking konting food trip. I don't know if this is a food trip. So, I'm all alone here in our house and I'm not feeling so well, so I'm just trying to light up my mood by eating the Bulldog Quattro cheese. I tried this cheese flavor kasi sabi nila ito daw yung pinakamaanghang, so let's try it. Syempre, di ba kapag spicy, syempre naman, lahat ng nerve natin dyan, nagising. So, sinamahan ko na rin siya ng chicken. I bought it outside. Kasi natamad na po tayo magluto. And then, I boiled an egg na rin. 2 eggs. So, ang laki ng chicken nila. It's only 50 pesos, I guess. So, here it is. Luto na yung ating noodles. So, we will try. At sinamahan ko siya ng rice kasi dinner ko na to. Grabe. So spicy nga. So, there's my another part. Rice and chicken. Lumabas talaga yung pagka Pinoy ko. Siyempre, whenever I eat noodles, sinasamahan ko ng rice. Kasi, pampagana natin yun. Ayan. I rather than drink medicine naman na. So, hopefully, bukas magaling na tayo. Kailangan natin maging magaling kasi pasokan na naman bukas. Lunes na naman. Oh my gosh. Spicy nga. Grabe. Oh no. And the chicken is so big, ah. Gantong egg lang yung gusto ko, yung malasa-lasa lang siya. Ayoko ng very boiled egg, hard boiled. Love this. Grabe yung kick in, guys. Talaga magigising lahat ng... Oh no.